If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create multiple PDFs from multiple files in Acrobat, first click the Create button in the title bar to open a new document tab and show the Create a PDF from any format screen in the new document view. Then click the Multiple Files option at the left side of the screen. The right side of the screen then shows three options: to create multiple PDF files from multiple selected files. Then click the Create Multiple PDF Files option button to the right, and then click the next button below the options to show the Create Multiple PDF Files dialog box in Acrobat. To then add the files to convert into individual PDFs, click the Add Files drop-down button at the top of the dialog box. To add individual files you select, click the Add Files command in the drop-down menu that then appears to open the Add Files dialog box. Use this dialog box to find the file or files you want to convert. To select multiple files in the same folder if needed, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click to select them. After making your selections, click the Open button to then add the selected files to the Create Multiple PDF Files dialog box. To add more individual files, click the Add Files drop-down button again, and then repeat the process. Alternatively, to add all compatible files within a selected folder and its subfolders, click the Add Files drop-down button at the top of the Create Multiple PDF Files dialog box, and then select the Add Folders command in its drop-down menu to open the Browse for Folder dialog box. Then use this dialog box to navigate to the folder to add and click it to select it. Then click the OK button within the dialog box to let Acrobat add all available files to convert to PDF in the selected folder and its subfolders to the list of files in the Create Multiple PDF Files dialog box. Multiple folder selection at once is not allowed in this dialog box, so if you need to add multiple folders, you must repeat the process. To remove a file from the list of files to convert into PDFs within the Create Multiple PDF Files dialog box after adding them, click the file name to remove in the list. To select multiple files at once if needed, you can use the Control-Click Multiple Selection method here. Then click the Remove button at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. When the file list in this dialog box shows all the files to convert to separate PDFs, then click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to close it, and then open the Output Options dialog box. You use the Output Options dialog box in Acrobat to choose how to name the new PDF files and where to save them. To select the saved location for the PDF files, select either the Same Folder selected at Start or the A Folder on My Computer option in the Target Folder section. If you select the Same Folder selected at Start option, then Acrobat saves each new file's PDF to the same folder from which you selected each file's original source file. If you choose a folder on My Computer, then select a destination folder into which to save all the new PDFs by clicking the Browse button that appears, navigating to and then selecting the desired folder, and then clicking the OK button in the Browse for Folder dialog box that opens. The selected folder location then appears in the adjacent field. To set the naming conventions for the new PDF files, select the desired option in the File Naming section of the Output Options dialog box. If you choose the Keep Original File Names option, then the new PDFs keep their same names, but use the .pdf file extension. if you choose the Add to Original Names option. Acrobat then lets you add more information to the original file names. You can then type any characters to add before the original file name or after the original file name into the Insert Before and/or Insert After fields as desired. Optionally, to overwrite any existing PDF files of the same name in the selected Save location, check the Overwrite Existing Files checkbox. To finish and create the PDF files, click the OK button in the Output Options dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.